Hi everyone, Rainey with my dream boat project, and it's crunch time. I need to make some decisions. I have about another probably 2 weeks before I need to figure out how big is too big. Let me show you what I'm doing. So here I am sitting downstairs with my plans out here, and I got the plans way up the other end over there, as you can see, showing how far I need to space the frames to get the size boat that I want. And that's what I'm thinking of right now. I went ahead and I drew my own diagram over here because I want to make it so it's not too awful confusing by having their writing and my writing. So the decisions are whether to make it, as you can see here, 15% larger or 20% larger in length. Now, it's a 27-foot boat normally. I don't know if you can see that or not. 27-foot normally, and if I go 15, it's going to be about, within a few inches, about 31 feet. And at 20% will be 32.4 feet. And if I put the swim deck on, so we're looking at 32, roughly, about 34 feet for the 20%, and let's see, 31, probably about 32.5 feet. Because anyways, the way the measurement works out, so either 32.5 to 34 feet. So that's getting kind of long. So my questions are, how long is too long? So I think where it comes to the width, that's perfect at 11 foot. Because I can go up to, I believe it's 11.7. It's going to be a little over 11 foot, but 11.7 is the limit to be able to trailer on the roads up here in Maine. You need a permit, but without extra cars and police, this and that, and all these reflectors. But the length, that's a whole other story. Now, 31 to 32.5 feet, that gives me an extra 1.5 feet. Okay, it doesn't sound like much, but if it's to put a 1.5 feet more in the bathroom, that's a lot. A 1.5 feet more in the length of the bed, between sleeping with my knees up this or my arms all crunched to being stretched out, that's a lot. Okay, but when it comes to mooring fees and going into marinas and all this, that's going to be more. So give me your opinions. Should I go with the longer length? Because I'm going to make this. It's going to be my last big boat. I'm going to be living on it for a year and a half, 2 years, maybe even longer. What would you do? Would you go with the longer one, or would you try to be more economical, knowing that I'm going to have to get a permit anyway? And I'm on hold because of the rest of the boat. Was going to get some lumber to finish off my frames this morning. I got 3 left to do, and the car went kaput. Transmission problems. So hopefully I'll get that to the garage this week and they can fix the car, but I need to go 15 miles to pick up the wood. So I'll probably have to wait and do that at the end of the week. So with that, go ahead and let me know what you think, and you all have a wonderful week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.